Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new episode in the driving lessons. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a good engine cap that you can use to take off your vehicle. Okay, so here on this chart, here on this picture, we have our rounds per minute. You see it's 1,000 rounds per minute. So from this 0 we have 0 to rounds per minute, and on the 1 is 1,000, and 2 is equal to 2 is equivalent to 2,000, and the same goes around here. And on this side here we have the actual speed of the car when it is moving. You see it is in kilometers per hour, though in some vehicles you will see miles per hour, but this one is in kilometers per hour. Okay, so on this left side here, this is what is important for us, especially when you want to take off a manual transmission vehicle. We have a manual transmission vehicle, so the good rounds per minute that you are supposed to meet, or the good momentum that you need to give the engine, is equivalent to 1.5 or 1.5, and 2 should be the maximum. Okay, when you're at this point, they call this one the biting point. That is where you play the clutch. That's where you get to play the clutch, and for that you need to enter your gear, of course, in gear 1. So let me give it a try and show you how this one goes. So when I raise in my leg off the clutch, see how this one goes. So I reach this biting point, so I'm at the biting point, give it some small acceleration, just like so, and you see the vehicle is being given a momentum, just like so. We see how the car is going forward. Okay, that's all to understand about these rounds per minute. Okay, so make sure that your cap reaches this point. This is the maximum accelerator you can give. Yes, that point, that's 1,000 rounds per minute. And then here going forward we have 2,000 rounds per minute. That's the maximum that you need to take off your car. Okay, that's just the maximum cap you need to take off the car. Okay, so guys, I hope you've understood the point in this, and I catch you in the next video.